Keep the pillow in front of you. We'll stand behind the pillow. Inhale, feet slightly apart. Exhale, slowly bend forward, straighten your legs, head down, keep your hands on the pillow. Push your weight forward and try to bring the top of your head towards the pillow. Weight in the toes. Again, inhale, gentle back bend. Exhale, hands down on the pillow. Straighten the legs fully. Bend down as much as you can. Inhale. Exhale. Head down fully. Push the weight into your toes. Lean forward slightly. Bring the head down. 2 more rounds. Inhale, back bend. Each time bend little more. Exhale. Forward bend. Inhale, back bend. Exhale, forward bend. This time fold your elbows. Drop your head down. Try to straighten your legs. Push your head towards the elbows, towards the hands. Keep breathing and stay there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Keep the pillow like this in the center, lengthwise. Going to stand behind the pillow, feet slightly apart, hip distance. Inhale, hands up. Exhale, hands down in front of your feet. Walk forward to Dvipada. And from there, don't move your hands. Pushing your head back, try to drop your head on the pillow. Adho Mukha Svanasana. Press the heels down. Slowly straighten the legs. Now walk your hands back fully in front of the feet. Uttanasana. Inhale up. Hands straight up if you want. Gentle back bend. Again, exhale down. Walk the hands forward. In front of the pillow. Come fully to Dvipada. Look in front. Body in a straight line. And keeping the hands there only. Push the heels down. Head on the pillow. Straighten your hands and legs. Adho Mukha Svanasana. And slowly walk the hands back. Uttanasana. Head down. Inhale again, back bend. Exhale, forward bend. Walk forward one more time. Dvipada. From here, don't move your hands, don't move your legs. Push back, straighten the hands, straighten the legs. Adho Mukha Svanasana. Head on the pillow. Press the heels down and walk back to Uttanasana. 2 more rounds. Inhale, back bend. Exhale, hands on the ground. Move forward, walking the hands. Dvipadasana. Hold for 2 breaths. Push back to Adho Mukha Svanasana. Again, hold for 2 breaths. Walk your hands back. Uttanasana. Head down completely. Shift the weight slightly forward. And inhale. Last round. Hands up. Gentle back bend. Exhale. Forward bend. Walk forward one more time. Dvipada. Adho Mukha. Head on the pillow. Straighten the hands and legs. Press the heels down. Push the hips back and up. Move your hands back. Uttanasana. And inhale. Hands from the side. Relax. Now you turn the pillow like this, sideways. Keep your hip on the pillow. Legs, toes down. Feet about 2 inches apart. Hands under your shoulders. From here you will inhale up. Keeping your hip on the pillow. Straighten the legs. Push the shoulders back, chest up, Urdhva Mukha. From Urdhva Mukha, you will move the feet down. Push the hips back again. Drop your head on the pillow, Adho Mukha. Straighten the hands and legs. Exhale fully in Adho Mukha. Once more, inhale. Don't move your hands. Hips come on the pillow. Tighten your legs. Press your hips on the pillow. Urdhva Mukha. Lift the chest up, open the shoulders. Again, exhale, move back. Adho Mukha, head on the pillow. Push the hips back and up, straighten the arms, straighten the legs. Take 2 breaths. Again, inhale, Urdhva Mukha. Activate your spine. Keep reaching the spine upwards. Pressing the hips and lower back down. Tighten your buttocks. Exhale, move back to Adho Mukha. Again, 2 more rounds. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha. Exhale, Adho Mukha. Last round coming up. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha. Exhale, Adho Mukha. Now keep your knees down. Move the pillow slightly in front. Keep your hands on the pillow. Sit back in Shashankasana. Straighten the arms. Push your fingertips forward and try to drop your forehead on the ground. Take about 5 breaths there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly come up, move the pillow to the side. We will repeat all of this without the pillow. You stand up, stand slightly at the back of your mat. Inhale, hands up. Move the hands forward to Adho Mukha. Heels down, feet close to each other. Move forward to Dvipada. Urdhva Mukha. Press the hips down. You can keep the knees on the mat, chest up. And push back to Adho Mukha. Again, inhale forward to Dvipada. Inhale up to Urdhva Mukha. Press your toes on the mat. You can drop your knees down, chest open. Push the ground strongly with the palms. Arms are straight. Lift the knees up and push back to exhaling fully. Adho Mukha. Again, inhale forward. Dvipada. Urdhva Mukha. Adho Mukha. Again, 3 more rounds. Inhale, Dvipada. Urdhva Mukha. Exhale fully, Adho Mukha. One more round. Inhale to Dvipada. Urdhva Mukha. Press the hip, lift the chest, tighten the legs. Exhale to Adho Mukha. Let us stay in Adho Mukha. Push the hips back, press the heels down, press the palms down. Try to push your head on the ground, on the mat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Knees down. Sit back fully. Hands on the mat, on the ground. Relax in Shashankasana. Slowly come up. Once more take your bolster or pillow. Keep it there in the center. Again keep your hips on the bolster. Toes in, legs are straight. Hands under the shoulders. Elbows next to your chest. Keep the toes pressed down. Inhale, come up to Urdhva Mukha. Make sure your hips are properly on the pillow. Tighten the legs, heels towards each other or touching each other. Shoulders open, spread the fingers, press the palm. Look up at the ceiling. With each inhale, slowly keep lifting the chest, expanding the chest. Breathe in and breathe out. Don't stop breathing. Hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. You can slowly come down. Relax for a few seconds. Take your hands back near your chest. This time turn your toes outwards. Place your feet on the ground or on the mat. Hands near the chest, shoulders back, elbows near you. Inhale up. Press the back of the feet on the mat. Point the toes outwards. Press your hips on the pillow, on the bolster, or even you can keep 2 blankets, rolled up blankets or folded in half. Inhale, look up at the ceiling, keep lifting the front of the body. Hold it again. 1, tighten the buttock muscles, tighten your back, keep lifting up. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Sit back in Shashankasana. You can keep your forehead on the pillow, hands in front, relax. Take 3 to 4 breaths, completely relax. Now keep the pillow under your thighs, upper part of the thighs. Your chest is on the ground. Your toes are still touching the ground behind the pillow. Once more, hands under the shoulders, elbows next to you. Inhale all the way up. Press the heels together. Legs are tight, kneecaps tight. Engage the legs fully, tighten your buttocks. This time your thigh is pressing on the pillow. Thigh is pressing nicely on the pillow. Hip is pressing down, chest is lifting up. Keep breathing and hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Drop your knees down. Sit back slowly. Forehead down or to the side, wherever it's comfortable. Relax again in Shashankasana. Today we won't do Surya Namaskara. We'll do a few. All this will work on your abs and back. This time come back again. Place the pillow under your feet, under the toes, under the whole back of the foot. Keep it under the back of the foot. Lie your body down on the mat. Hands this time close to the rib cage. Elbows next to you. Inhale. Tighten the legs so your knees will come off the ground and lift up. Knees are off the ground. Your foot is on the pillow. You're pressing the hips down and lifting the chest up. Tighten your buttock muscles, tighten your legs. Keep tightening the thigh muscles, kneecaps. Pushing the hip down, lifting the chest up. Hands also fully engaged. Stay there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Slowly come down. You can move the pillow. Sit back in Shashankasana, forehead down, elbows down, relax. Deep inhale, slow exhale. Stay for 5 to 6 breaths. Keep breathing and stay there. Okay? Now we will keep the pillow lengthwise again in the center of the mat. Just lie down. One mushti distance in front of the pillow. You can keep your knees bent. And slowly, very slowly, taking support with your hands, drop your head back. If you need another blanket or pillow for your head, block, keep it under your head. Drop your head back. Inhale, stretch the hands behind you, pointing the fingers backwards, and take both the legs in Baddha Konasana. Outer edge and the heels pressing together. Close your eyes, keep your chin down. Keep straightening the arms, push the knees open. Keep breathing, relax your hips. Open up the knees. Press the buttock downwards. Lift up the abdomen, lift up the chest, open the chest. Inhale, expand the chest. Exhale, relax your back and hips. Stay there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Slowly inhale, bring the hands back. You can take support with one hand, turn to your right side and come on up. Let the pillow stay there in the center. Keep your hands in front of the pillow. Legs are behind the pillow. Adho Mukha Svanasana. Push the hips back. If you can, head will be resting on the pillow. Now inhale, take the right foot to the right side of the pillow in front. Drop your left knee on the pillow. Keep your hands on the right thigh. And nicely your toes are touching the ground. Straighten the left leg. Lift the chest up. Keep breathing as you stay there. Push the hip forward. Try to slowly drop backwards. Look up at the ceiling. Keep pushing the right hip forward. Tighten the left leg. Your left knee is resting on the pillow. Stay there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Slowly, hands down on the ground. Inside the right foot, both hands. You will tighten the left knee, lift it off the pillow. Stay on your toes, left leg is fully straight. Pull your head and body forwards. Right knee near the right shoulder. And stay there. 1, 2. Keep tightening the left knee. It should not relax on the pillow. It should be away from the pillow. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Slowly come up. Come to this lunge position. From here, right hand up near your right ear. And slowly take the left hand down to the side. With your right hand, hold the left foot and pull the heel close to your left butt. You can keep your left hand on the ground or left fingertips. Pull the heel towards you, chest open to the side and stay there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Slowly release. Hands down, take your right leg back, go back to Adho Mukha Svanasana. We'll relax with the head on the pillow in Adho Mukha Svanasana. Head on the pillow, straighten your hands, straighten your legs, push the hips back and up. Deep inhale, slow exhale. Watch your stomach as you exhale. Take at least 3 breaths over there. Inhale, come forward on the pillow to Urdhva Mukha. Exhale back to Adho Mukha. This time bring your left foot in front of the pillow, left side. Drop your right knee on the pillow. Both hands on the left thigh. Lift the chest up. Try to tighten the right leg. Keep pushing the hip down, chest up towards the ceiling. Look up at the ceiling and keep dropping backwards. Try to straighten both the arms. Lift the chest up. Expand the chest with each inhale. Stay there. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and slowly take off your hands from there. Hands inside the left foot and straighten the right knee up so that the knee lifts up from the pillow. Push the heel backwards nicely. Tighten the right leg. Don't let it drop on the pillow. Lift it up. But keep the hip down. Tighten the right kneecap, right thigh. Pull forward. Left knee is close to the left shoulder. Keep looking in front. Spread your fingers. Press the upper body away from the ground. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Slowly come up. Stay in the same position. You can bring your right knee a little closer. Inhale this time. Left hand up near your left ear. On the exhale, drop the right hand to the side as much as you need to. And take the left hand, hold the right foot or the big toe, pull the heel close to you and open the chest up. Look to the side and stay there. 1, 2, 3, push the hip forward. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Slowly release the right foot. Hands in front of the pillow. Take your legs back. Go back to Adho Mukha Svanasana. Head on the pillow. Feet closer to each other. Straighten the legs. Straighten the back. Push the hips back. This is where you relax. Inhale and exhale slowly. 2 more breaths. Inhale and exhale. 1 more time. And slowly, once more, Urdhva Mukha, Adho Mukha. 2 more rounds. Urdhva Mukha, Adho Mukha. Last one. Urdhva Mukha, Adho Mukha. Press the heels down and slowly walk your hands back and come on up. Inhale up. Okay, this time we move the pillow slightly in front. Keep your right leg, left leg 1 foot behind the pillow. Right foot, take it to the right side of the pillow. almost in front. Straighten both the legs. Inhale, stretch the hands up and take it behind you. Interlock the fingers. Pull the hands back behind you. Slowly push the hands downwards. Open the chest. Tighten both the right leg and the left leg. Straighten up. Now inhale. On the exhale, bend your right knee. Adjust your distance of the feet as much as you need to. Try to bring your head down on the pillow near the right foot. Hands moving over your back. Press the outer edge of the left foot. Straighten the left foot completely. Keep reaching down. It's okay if you can't touch the pillow, but stay there. Push the arms up over your back, over your head. Keep reaching for the pillow. Bend the right knee. Hold it there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Slowly come up. Straighten the legs. Exhale, take the right leg back. Take a deep inhale, slow exhale. Again, keep the right foot 1 foot distance behind the pillow. Inhale, take the left foot all the way in front. Straighten both the legs. Right foot can be at a 45-degree angle. Both the hips facing front. Inhale, hands up. Exhale, interlock the hands behind your back. Straighten the elbows. Push the hands downwards. Tighten both the legs. Chest open, lifting up slightly. Now inhale and on the exhale, keep the right leg straight. Bend the left knee as much as possible. Move forward. Try to drop your head on the pillow like Shirapadasana. But take your hands over your back, over your head. Outer edge of the right foot firmly on the ground. Pushing your head to the pillow. Straighten the right leg. Bend the left knee, hips down. Keep breathing. Stay there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Slowly come up, straighten both the legs. Inhale on the exhale, take the left leg back, release the hands and just relax in Shashankasana one more time. You can keep your forehead on the pillow. Hands down, bring the pillow close to you, forehead on the pillow or turn it to the side. Just relax. Turn the pillow sideways. If it's thin, use 2 pillows, 2 blankets or the bolster. This time you sit in front of the pillow, bend your knees, keep both hands on the pillow, straighten the arms, inhale, lift the shoulders and chest up. And slowly bending backwards, drop your back over the pillow and try to drop the head back, top of the head touching the ground. Again going into a back bend but supported by the pillow and stretch the hands again. Once your head is down, stretch the hands behind you. If it's uncomfortable, keep the hands on the side. If you have too much high BP, just lie down flat on the mat and do it. Don't use the pillow. Otherwise, or if you have a heart problem, otherwise use the pillow, drop your head back. Now from here, take your legs in, Baddha Konasana again, bring the feet close to you. Press the heels, outer edge of the feet together, palms facing up. Close your eyes whenever you drop your head back. Lips gently closed, breathe from your nostrils. Inhale, expand the chest on the exhale, press the hips down. Relax the hips and lower back, press the knees open. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Slowly support yourself with the right hand, right elbow. Turn slightly to the right side. Bring your knees up and come on up. Now this time again, keep the pillow straight like this in the center. Lie down with your head on the pillow. Knees bent, hands beside you. Now take the hands for Urdhva Dhanurasana on either side of the pillow. Elbows in, press the palms down and slowly lift your head up. Push yourself up if you can, otherwise Setu Bandha Sarvangasana. Straighten the arms, lift up all the way, push away from the bolster or the pillow. Keep lifting up. Drop your head back and down. Under you if you can. Close your eyes. Keep tightening the buttocks. Lifting the hips up. Try to straighten the legs slowly. Keep the legs firm, arms straight. Take at least 3 breaths. Tuck your head in. Slowly come back on the pillow. Relax. Move the pillow out. Lie down on the mat. And just relax there for a few seconds. Slowly again turn from the right side. Come on up. We've done a lot of back bends. Take the pillow or the bolster. Keep it just on your knees or below the knees. Feet together. Back straight. Inhale, both hands up. On the exhale, if you have to struggle too much or your back is rounding too much, you can bend your knees. Slowly reach forward, hold your feet. Keep the back straight, pulling the spine forward. Slowly drop your forehead on the pillow. Keep the knees tight, legs straight, toes together. Pull your stomach in. Relax your head on the pillow. Tighten the kneecaps, press the knees down. Keep breathing. Don't pull your chin in. Keep the chin forward. Stay there. 1,